think it's about 10:30 this morning, that I had a phone call of Handel Rogers, the president, who said that Wales wanted me to play in Twickenham. And this came like a shot out of the blue. I felt bewildered and amazed, really. And he asked if I could come up to the squad training as quickly as possible. And after I done an hour's training, the selectors announced that John, unfortunately, and David were unfit, and I was back in the side for the Twickenham match.
Yes, well, a sad blow for young David Richards, really, wasn't it?
Well, Carwyn, I'm really sort of sad for David. I tried to get in touch with him last week because I felt very sorry for the young lad, because this sort of controversy was nothing to do with David, and he's playing some great rugby at the moment, and it would have been a great experience for him to go to Twickenham, and we had a little chat together, and I just hope that his time will come again, which I'm sure it will.
Yes. Well, how disappointed were you last week, Phil?
Well, really sort of very hurt, Carwyn, really, because I think, I was playing fairly well at the time, and, the injuries were really genuine injuries, and I think after, I think I was in the Welsh team or reserve since I've been about 18 or 19. It's a long time, and I would have loved to have said, well, if I was to go out to the squad, for me to say, well, thanks very much, I've had some great years and some great times with Wales, but I feel I'm not playing well enough. As it happened, being dropped, it did hurt me a bit,
Well, Phil, someone wrote to me last week, suggesting that you don't like playing for Wales. Well, what do you think of a statement like that?
Well, Carwyn, every chap is entitled to his opinion, but that would really sort of hurt me, because I think Welshmen love to play for their country more than any other because we are sort of born in the rugby cauldron. I've played for Wales in the past, Carwyn, where I've had flu and been really ill, and just for the honour of playing the Welsh jersey, it's the greatest thrill I've ever had. To be a Lion and Barbarian is a great experience, but to play in Cardiff Arms Park or anywhere in a Welsh jersey is the greatest thrill in the world, and to be honest, I think that gentleman is just talking rubbish, really.
And how do you think next Saturday's game will go?
I think international is always very hard, Carwyn. I think England will gain a lot of confidence from their win against the Australians, and every international is a hard one. But I'm sure the way that the Welsh team have played recently, it's been a superb, controlled team display, and I'm just praying now that things will go well on Saturday.